everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty sunny in BC today. We're on lockdown for 14 days for the corona. So that should be interesting. I hope everybody's okay. So we'll see how that goes. All the chicken is gone and all the toilet paper is gone. So we went to 3 different stores and they were all cleared out. So hopefully they'll be restocking soon. So that's pretty crazy. And today I'm rocking my Loungefly mini backpack, Small World Disney. Still going strong. It holds a lot for being small. Okay, pretty cool. All right, I have a unboxing from Pandora, so let's go ahead and see what I got. Got my blade. This is from my hubby Ted. So let's see what he got me here. They really packed this box. Okay, I think we're in. Pandora. Alright, let's see what I got here. Okay, these must be my, I don't know, I got 3 packets. This one's empty. This one feels like a charm in it. So we'll open those up. That's my receipt. Alright, and that's tissue paper. That's pink. Alright, let's see what I got here. Okay, this is my rose gold bracelet. It looks like this. This is a silver one, and this one is the rose gold one. So let's see what that looks like. That's pretty. Okay. It has the balls at the end, and then it has the 2 spacers. So that's nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. All right, and let's see what's in the pouch here. Okay, these are the hearts clips. The other heart that I tried to get were on back order, so I did on Pandora. What you can do is you can do like notify me, and then when they come back in stock, then they'll give you an email, and then you can reorder, but they don't. It's kind of strange the way that they do it, because they don't just like reorder for you. You have to go ahead and put it in the cart again. Alright, so that one is not opening up. Let's try this one. Here's another one. This is probably the other clip. Yeah, this is the other clip. Let me see if I can get this one open. I may have to open it this way. Let's try that. do it the old-fashioned way. Alright, here we go. Alright, these are pretty cool. These are clips, and then they have a little heart that's rose gold. And then I'm just waiting on the other ones to come. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody stays safe. And also I had a request to do what fits in my Fendi Aspen spy bag. So I'll be doing that in a few days. And if you have any other requests, please leave them below with your comment, share, like is always appreciated, and make sure that you subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle, from a senior point of view. Have a good week, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.